Welcome to this installment in the XSitePro tutorial series. As you create pages for your different sites, you'll probably want to collect lots of relevant articles and other materials to keep the site fresh. The problem comes when it's time to post all these articles. You don't want to post them all at once, but rather make the most of this fresh content by drip feeding your articles over time. At the same time, you don't want to be a slave to your site by having to open and manually publish every other day. The solution? Scheduling lets you build page count and keep your site fresh, all on autopilot. You see, with XSitePro, you can set individual publishing settings for every page in each of your sites, which is available right within the Page Settings subtab. First off, you have the basic ability to toggle its Publish this web page checkbox, thus ensuring that you don't inadvertently publish any page under construction. But for now, let's assume that these pages are complete and you want to publish and possibly unpublish the pages at specific points in time. To do this, click the Advanced Settings button, and from there, head over to the Scheduling tab. Select Activate Scheduling. Since we just published an article yesterday, we'll set the next one to appear 3 days from now. My goal is to publish 2 new articles each week. For these articles, I'll want to leave them up indefinitely, but in cases where you have specials or other time-sensitive opportunities, you can also set an end date, where the page in question is queued to be unpublished and thus no longer available. At any rate, the next critical step is to start the scheduler. The scheduler is a special application that runs in the taskbar and publishes your sites even in your absence. You can also open it directly from the Start menu, and you can even set it as a service to start automatically. Note that the scheduler must be open for scheduled publishing to work, and XSitePro itself must be closed. So, for this site, we need the scheduler to execute publishing at a set frequency. So, just click Create New Schedule. We could automatically publish monthly, weekly, on certain days of the week or every day, or even at tighter intervals still. Let's set it to recur every Monday and Thursday, so 2 new articles a week. You can set the exact timing here. It's typically best to set it for the wee morning hours so as not to interfere with your other processes. As a final means of making absolutely sure that your sites are published on time, click the Scheduler Preferences, and you can set to load the taskbar schedule for you automatically upon system startup. And as you can see, it's a cinch to see what pages are queued for scheduled publication by the presence of a scheduler clock icon here. As long as the scheduler is up and running on the date and time you specified, all publishing and unpublishing of the various pages can happen while you sleep.